Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Ponek Bluetooth Mini Pocket Sticker Printer. This compact gadget promises to be a versatile tool for journaling, photo printing, and creating to-do lists on the go. It comes in a vibrant green color and includes 3 rolls of label paper to get you started. The printer utilizes thermal printing technology, which means no ink or toner is required. This is a huge plus for convenience and cost savings. The package includes 3 different types of label rolls. One sticky roll with a 10-year image life, another sticky roll with a 2-year image life, and a non-stick roll, all in black on white. The variety caters to different needs, whether it's for long-term archiving or temporary labeling. Setting up the printer is straightforward. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to smartphones running Android 5.0 or iOS 9.0 and above. The printer isn't compatible with computers, so it's designed primarily for mobile use. The companion app connects quickly, allowing for immediate use. The print quality is decent for a mini thermal printer. The printing density can be adjusted within the app, which helps to fine-tune the output. The manufacturer claims a 10-year image life for certain paper types, which is impressive. The printer supports various types of printing papers, and an included paper holder helps ensure neat and tidy prints. Compared to other portable printers, the Ponek printer aims to be economical. The absence of ink cartridges reduces running costs, and the built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery offers a reasonable usage time of about a week on a single charge. Its compact size makes it a great travel companion. The label rolls are compatible with any T02 mini printer, adding to their versatility. When loading the paper, ensure the printing side faces down for optimal results with T02, M02X, and M02XS models. In summary, the Ponek Bluetooth Mini Pocket Sticker Printer is a handy device for anyone needing a portable and inkless printing solution. Its ease of use, variety of label options, and cost-effective operation make it a worthwhile consideration for mobile printing tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.